What happens when the plants go to flower, Doug? You just pull them out?
So depending on what they are, I'll leave a lot of plants in the garden to go to flower. This is mustard, and once it gets hot, the mustard starts to seed or to bolt and go to flower. But most of the mustard plants are, you can see the yellow flowers are really enjoyed by the pollinators. So I'll leave a lot of plants in the garden through their flowering stage to be a food source for the bees and the butterflies and such.
What other plants?
So this is the mustard, the milkweed, as we showed, um, is another really, it's a beautiful plant, and another one that is, the flowers are an important source of nectar for the monarch butterflies. So we leave this, and in spaces where it's not out competing our plants, but making that balance there. Um, and then there's the clover, white clover here in the walkways. So the white clover, another source of nectar for the pollinators. The sorrel as well. And then one more that's pretty common, I'd say, is this poke bush. So poke grows in a lot of places. It's a solitary plant like this. Has very dark berries come midsummer, fall, which can be used as dye. When the plant is really young and it's a perennial, and it's just starting to leaf out, those first few leaves are edible. If you cook it like spinach in a couple rinses of water, it's well known in the South as a dish. But beautiful plant, beautiful flowers, and the berries again. So finding space to maintain the native ecology within the garden, I think, is important, because it does have impacts for the pollinators as well as for the soil, and helping our garden to grow better and more part of the area, I would say.
Okay, thanks, Doug.
You're welcome, Ellen.